Hi there everybody. I thought I'd do a quick WIP video because I haven't actually done one in quite a while. Now, as a lot of you know, I haven't really been doing that many tutorials or working on that many things over the last few months because I just haven't really been in the right frame of mind to do it with being so poorly. I am still poorly, but I have felt like a little bit of my crochet mojo, if you like, was back, and I wanted to carry on working and start some new projects. So I thought I would just quickly show you what I've got going on at the minute. Now this one is obviously one that I've been working on for quite a while, and it's one that I just keep going back to and dipping in and out of because it's a really nice mindless project. And this is the Granny Merge baby blanket pattern, and you can find the tutorial for it on my channel, and of course I will list it down below as well. But the Granny Merge is just a really nice but different way of doing a granny square, and it is working up beautifully in this shapey swirl, and you can see roughly how big it is already, and I've got so much of this yet to use, so it's going to be a really good sized blanket once I finish with it. So this is obviously a shapey swirl from Snufflebean, and as always her shop link is in the description as well. But this is the Granny Merge, and it's probably one of my favourite blanket patterns because it's just so simple but looks really effective and more complicated than it actually is. So yeah, I really like that one. So I'm hoping to keep working on this one, and one day it might even be finished. I've also been doing quite a few small projects. Big projects are just something that I haven't really been doing very much of, but I have started, like I say, a few smaller ones, like the rainbow hat that I did for my daughter the other week, which was a tutorial, and I've started another mini project as well. This one I'm undecided whether it's going to be a hat or whether it's going to be an ear warmer project, which I will cinch up at the end on one side just to give it that little bit of extra detail. But it's started with the beautiful ribbing, and then we have got rounds of moss stitch, and moss stitch is one of my favourite stitches to use. And yeah, I'm thinking of probably just doing a few more rows on this with the moss stitch and then cinching it up so it pulls on one side for that little bit of detail, and I'll maybe add a bow or something as well. So if this is one that you would like a tutorial for, just leave a comment down below and let me know. And the yarn I'm using for this one is one that I've not used before. It is the Super Soft Aran Rainbow Drops from Sidar, and I've been using quite a lot of this brand recently, and I've really enjoyed working with it. It's a really nice, delicate colour palette, and I really like that. So yeah, this is, I'm hoping it's picking up because it's white, but this is beautiful moss stitch in the round for a potential ear warmer. Don't know who it'll be for yet, it depends how big it ends up being. And then finally, one of my most popular videos on YouTube is my cluster stitch tutorial, and for quite a long time I have been meaning to do a cluster stitch in the round, so a centre out square basically, and I just haven't had the brain power to sit and figure it out. But this week I have done. I've been sat faffing about with this week, doing loads of different swatches and samples, trying to get the count right and the tension right and things so that I could bring you the tutorial. So this is the final piece, and so as I say, it's a cluster stitch, so you can see there we have got the rows of the cluster stitches, but this is different from my old cluster stitch tutorial. The stitches are different, so yeah, that's why it's been a bit of a fiddly faff to get this one right, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. And I really wasn't sure about this boho spirit yarn when I started working with it. I wasn't sure how it was going to work up, but the further on I've got with it, the more I think it looks really beautiful and very effective with all of the lovely colour changes. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this, and this is going to be a tutorial hopefully ready for later this week, but we'll see how we go with filming. But yeah, this is the cluster stitch in the round, and I really like how this one is working up. So that is it. Like I say, I haven't got that much on the go at the moment, but I really hope that you've enjoyed catching up, and please remember to subscribe to keep up to date with all of my tutorials. But I will see you for a normal tutorial at the weekend. Bye for now.